In today's world, understanding digital marketing is essential. Many businesses struggle to reach their audience effectively. But what if there was a way to simplify this process? Digital marketing involves promoting products or services online. It uses various tools to connect with potential customers. These tools include social media, email, and search engines. Let's break down the steps to successful digital marketing. First, identify your target audience. Knowing who they are helps tailor your message. Next, choose the right platforms. Not all social media sites fit every business. Now, let's discuss content creation. Create engaging and valuable content. This draws your audience in, include images, videos, and articles to keep them interested. Once your content is ready, focus on promoting it. Use social media ads and email campaigns. These methods increase visibility and drive traffic to your website. Now it's time to analyze results. Use analytics tools to track performance. Adjust your strategy based on this data. Improvement is an ongoing process. For example, a small bakery can use Instagram to showcase their pastries. They post photos regularly and engage with followers. This attracts local customers and boosts sales. In summary, digital marketing is about connecting with your audience online. Identify your audience, create valuable content, promote it, and analyze results. With these steps, you can enhance your marketing strategy. Now, start exploring digital marketing tools for your business today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips.